All right, today it's very simple. I love sweet treats. You're gonna wanna stay with me because we're gonna take this, add 2 more ingredients, and make an iconic classic. Stay tuned. All right, so maybe you have a guess, but today we are gonna make the Dole Whip. So if you're like me, you love many things, but a couple of those things is sweet treats and Disney. So my family, we've gone to Disney World so many times. We often go and we have to get a Dole Whip. So today, one of the great things about being in our current situation is Disney has released the official recipe for the Dole Whip, and it's actually quite simple. So we're gonna follow that today and make our very own Dole Whip. All right, so our first step is we wanna take this and turn it into this. That's 2 cups of frozen pineapple. All right, so step 2, real simple. We're gonna take 4 ounces of pineapple juice, put it into our frozen pineapples that we've kind of cut up to make blending a little easier. Step 3, we just need 1 big sweet scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let's just get it all into the blender, get our ice cream. And our pineapples with the juice. Look, Mom, I got it all in without spilling. Now we blend it all together. Okay, so last step is kind of optional. If you want to kind of mimic the soft serve machine that you would find when you get a Dole Whip, you can use a pastry bag with a star tip and squeeze your Dole Whip out into your container of choice or an ice cream cone, whatever it might be. So we'll try that, but you could just enjoy it right out of the blender. It'd be fine. Well, I'm probably not going to win an award for running a soft serve machine, but I can guarantee you this is going to taste pretty good. So there you have it. We are going to add a little pineapple garnish to our Dole Whip, and there it is, the Disney Dole Whip. Real quick and easy to make, and this is kind of a cult classic and something that if you're a Disney fan, you're definitely gonna wanna get a Dole Whip when you go to the parks. But if you're not, that's okay too, because this is a great dessert, easy to make with the family. So that's gonna do it for another episode of HHMtv. Remember, we're in this together. Thanks so much for watching. Leave us a picture of your attempt at the Dole Whip in the comments below. We'll see you next time.